Hello folks, Ramon is here. In next video, I want to talk about how maintainer can add new common components can be used for all and every application inside Streamlit. If you go back to our favorite IDE, what we can see is our project. Of course, you remember tutorial app and pages we created. Here, inside application/components folder, it's a common objects and items we are mainly use can be used for all application, like you can think of like utilities. Sometimes we need to add a new one, so we can say, okay, new Python file, we call it your new component py, and inside that component we can define some procedure we need for the future, right? Very easy setup. It is here now in the components, but what you need to do to make it available in Snowflake for other application, or at least tutorial app, is to add one line inside snowflake.yaml file. Here you see we have imports, and we say with this command to Snowflake, okay, please import this code, our stage/components/init.py, GitLab data streamlit, etc. In order to be consistent, we should add this line, which said, okay, please add my new component file so it can be used inside, I don't know, dummy page or dummy page 2, and you're done. If you go to dummy page, you can easily say from some procedure we need, or how to say your new component. Import some procedure we need. Then you can use it. And then easily you can test it locally, you can push it to Snowflake, etc. We are done with that. Even better, sometimes you want to have components can be shared across all application. So if you need to do it with the backward compatibility, you should go to each and every application inside Snowflake YAML and add what is needed. But even more important for the future, there is a templates folder, an app, and Snowflake YAML, which belongs to the template. Each of the templates will be used to generate a new application. Also go there, and it will be handy to do the same. Instead of hard-coded version and path to your file, just use the tags we created. Save it, push it, and you're done. This means your new component py file will be distributed in each and every application you created using our make Streamlit new app command. And you're done. You're a maintainer, so please take care how you should add your new component. Of course, these should be shared, so we be very careful. Also, my advice for you is whatever you add, just have a proper test cases and say, okay, make Streamlit test and ensure everything is fine. Of course, it's handy for your new component to add a proper test cases, and that's it. After you push your code, everything should be checked one more time, and we ensure you're sticking with the rules. And of course, be careful because it will spread around, and try not to break everything up front. When all these test cases are done, it passed, we are on a good track to enhance our application and our functionality. Happy coding.